Hello all and welcome back to my channel. No, it's been a minute, but today I'm going to do crochet braids. And this is the hair I will be using. Bohemian 14-inch by Zury. Looks super nice, super wavy. I've already did my braids. Not quite sure how they look in the back, but you won't be able to see the parts anyway. I shall return after I start latching. I'm going to do about half and then we'll get right into everything else, guys. I shall return. Alright, y'all, so this is the hair. Very pretty. I'm going to latch these. You start down. Pull it up. And because I don't like to use glue, I'm going to wrap it once. And then wrap it again so it doesn't come down. And then it leaves my knot. Once again, get the hair, get your hook. You're going to go down. You're going to hook it, and then you're going to latch that. Take this, bring it through, twist it, bring it through again. And there you go. I shall return you guys with a little bit more. I just want you guys to see how I start and how you get it all to lay one way. Sometimes if you go up, as in, as in going up through the braid this way, it will leave a different type of lay. You're not to be facing upward and you don't want it to face upward. I actually forgot to loop it twice, so I'm just going to tie it in a knot. Okay. Okay, you guys, after this one, I will be back. I don't want to just sit and have you guys watch me do this. I want you to go try it on your own. Come back, let me know how you feel about it. Leave comments. But I will be back and you guys to see how I look after. Hey. Okay, guys, I have some done. About half of the head, and now I need to finish. Hook. And then you don't want no stragglies. There you go. Because I have to fix that when it doesn't want to lay down. Make sure they're even as you put them in because you want it to look even as it lays. Like this, how it's like evenly done. Super easy, guys. Super easy. And this really can go by fast when you're used to doing them. You literally just fill in your spaces. Go down the braid, make sure you fill in your spaces. I usually use glue on the knot, so because these sometimes, depending on how thick the hair is, they will come down, and then you'll get like your hair, like this part is still good, but this right here is starting to come loose, and you're trying to figure out why. And it's probably because the knot, when the hair is thick, the knot doesn't stay. Like it comes back up. You see how that's coming up? Well, that's why I do doubles, so it wouldn't matter. It's not going to come off. But if you do it just one loop, that one loop definitely will come apart. So that's why I do it 2 times, because sometimes you do nail glue, which I was prepared for. But I figured I could do 2 knots, because just in case it drips on my real hair, I really don't want to have any hard pieces or have to try to take that off, because that's not a good look at all. So I have 3 more braids left. I have this one pack did 4 braids, so I don't know, my head is rather small. I am a peanut head, guys, so I have 1 more pack, and let's just hope that that's enough to do my whole head. It should be, and then anything left over, I will definitely just go in the back and like fill in. You have to like feel around, and see if there's any spaces. You don't want to have spaces. I don't care if it looks like this. Sometimes when you take it out, it'll like unravel itself. Put that shit in. Just make sure you get it like this, so it's not all straggly. Make it even. Still make sure it's even so it makes sense. This part will be fine. You can actually fix that yourself. Boom, bam. Okay, guys, I'll be back. Okay, I'm back with pack number 2. We finna get this done with y'all just from the side view. Looks pretty good. Looks pretty good, pretty good. Alright guys, second pack. I like how these, I don't know if you guys know, but usually these are like wrapped around. You gotta take them off and all that. The hair is just laid in there, literally. The hair is just laid in there. So when you want to get a piece, instead of having a lot of this around, you can just pull your piece. No problem. Very easy, and if you do them right, this front part will look so good. I know it's so shiny, guys, but you'll see in a minute. It's my lighting. You really don't need a mirror. You don't need to see. I've been doing this for years, so I could pretty much just feel my way through. But some people need to see where they're going, even though they can't see in the back of their head. They can still just be in the mirror, and it still low-key guide you. I don't know if y'all can hear my kids in the other room. My daughter's on the phone. They forever. One daughter's braiding the other daughter's head. My 17-year-old's braiding my 9-year-old, soon to be 9-year-old on Wednesday. This is my Vegas look because she want to go to Vegas for her birthday, y'all. She only 8, but she want to go to Vegas for her birthday. And let me tell you, we gonna take her. We gonna take her. My kids, we right here in Phoenix, Arizona, so Vegas is right there. We that's like our second home, and then LA. Well, actually, let's just say LA is our second home, and Vegas is our third. It's just a hop, skip, and a jump away. So, if they want to go, they can go. Let her walk the strip. See, you gotta do that sometimes. Just go down further, bring it back up. Boom, boom. I'm only 20 minutes in, maybe. It doesn't take long at all. The braiding was about 15 minutes. The crochet part, this part's only gonna take a few minutes. I'm only 20 minutes in and I'm halfway. So, once you get a hang of it, it does not take any time at all to get this done. And the only way you're going to know if you skipped a part, I want to show you guys. You can do this, just feel, and you could tell the loops, and you could tell, oh, okay, that's my next one. I could tell because it's actual braid. If you can't feel actual braid and you clearly have something there, you can always just feel and see like, damn, I got a whole space right there. Let me put something there, Okay, I only have 2 more sections left of the hair, which should be enough hair to do these other 2 braids. Okay, guys, so I'll return. Let you guys see what it looks like. This is so far. So it looks like in the back. Once it's fully covered, you shouldn't be able to see any spaces. This hair should be completely covered. All right, guys, be back. All right, y'all, let me get quiet again. We are on the last one. And so what I like to do, I know you guys are like, what are you going to do with this piece? How did you get, so you just go put it up here like this. And you're going to hook it. So, you see that? You're just going to bring that and lay it. That stays there, like that. I'm going to tie that like that. And then bring it back down and do it again. So it's going to feel weird because I'm pulling. You're going to have like a double braid here just because you looped it around. So it's going to feel like two braids are there. You're just going to tie your knot really tight. You're just going to bring that piece of hair back down and loop it back around. Right now, I'm literally just filling because I can't see. I have about 6 or 7 pieces left. I'm literally done, but you know, what I like to do is just go back, especially in the back, and see what I missed. So I have a few spots that I missed in the back. I'm just going to go ahead and fill those spaces in. You don't want to have anything loose just in case you want to put it in a ponytail or whatever. It's going to be good. You're not going to be able to see anything because everything is evenly distributed around your head. I'm going to use all of this. I have 4 more left, I believe. I'm just going to find little spaces to put the hair in. And then I'm going to go back up to the front and make sure the front is full. You don't want to have any little spaces. Hey. This way, that way. But this is the end result, guys. I'm going to go back through and see if I'm missing anything, and then I'll do my edges. And y'all can see me all the way done. Y'all, I'll be back. All right, y'all. This is the end result. Crochets on fleek, baby. Yes, ma'am. Look at that. Oh, yes. Flip it over here real quick. Look at her. All right, y'all. Subscribe, like, and share if you want. Thank you for coming to my channel. I am Renee Antoinette, and these are my crotches, and they are the shit, honey. They are.